The last one is html-many-tags. So this is an extended one because it's not as, it's more open-ended. So we'll try this out. So what we want to do is we want to try and build a page with like 5 tags that we haven't seen before. So if we look at this exercise, like not this exercise, if we look at this page, it will show us all the different HTML tags that exist. And there's a lot, and most of them I probably haven't even heard of. So let's try and build a quick website that uses a bunch of these. Okay. So let's go back to, what was it? HTML-many-tags, html-many-tags-1. I wonder if there's an html-many-tags-2. Okay. So index.html. Save it. I'm going to put in the basic structure. So that's the head and then also the body. Like that. What do I want to do? I want to open this up. So this one is html-many-tags-1 index.html. Okay, let's see. What is there and what do we want to try? Let's pick a random one. Let's go from the bottom. Defines a possible line break. What does that do exactly? A text with word break opportunities. To learn Ajax, you must be familiar with the XML line break, a word break opportunity, HTTP word break request object. The word break opportunity tag specifies where in a text it would be okay to add a line break. When a word is too long, the browser might break it at the wrong place. You can use the word break opportunity element to add word break opportunities. Okay, let's copy this. I don't think we're gonna actually get to see it in action though. Or let's try, let's just give it styles of like font size 100. So this is inline styles. We want to avoid you doing this in the assignment, but here for demonstration, it's okay. Okay, well that didn't match up well. So if I do 80, refresh. Okay, so yeah, this is like technically one long word, right? There's no space in between, but we added the word break opportunity tag. So now it knows if we really need to, you can, break it off here. So that's one example of that tag that I've never seen before. Video, define embedded video content. Let's have a look at this. Video tag. So we have the outside video tag and then a bunch of sources. Video tag is used to embed video content in a document, such as a movie clip or other video streams. It contains one or more source tags with different video sources. The browser would choose the first source it supports. I've never used this one before. I've only used the iframe one, which you can also use to add videos into things. This one, let's have a look at the differences. Yeah, inline frame. So it just, instead of actually adding a video, it like embeds a whole frame for you to view a video, I guess. I'm not going to use this one because I just don't have any like videos ready to use. So let's try something else. Variable. Oh, interesting. Unordered list. I think that's pretty straightforward. Track. Row, we know that one. Title, time, table head, header cell, footer. Yeah, I think most of these, by the end of the course, you will have seen them. So I'm trying not to use those. Superscripted text. Okay, the sub and superscripted text. Let's try that. So let's say I have some normal text here, which is, I love COMP6080 and front end web front end. I don't remember the name of this course. Web front end programming is my favorite thing in the world. Okay, let's see if that, oh no, that doesn't work because it thinks that I have a, I don't know how to fix that. Oh well, I guess it's not getting a heart then. Okay, refresh it. What I want to do, I want to try and add in some like superscript text and some subscript text. So that's like when you have like text smaller at the top and at the bottom. So if you have like a number to the power of blah, that's superscript. So let's try it out. So let's add some text in here. I love COMP6080 blah, sorry. I was going to try and be funny, but that takes up too much brain power that I do not have at the moment. Okay, great. That's sub and super. Was it soup or super? Soup. Sup. 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 I'll change this to sub. If I refresh this again. Nice. So that's pretty cool. What else is there? Style, we know that one. Strong is kind of like making something bold, but depending on like the default like settings of the user's like browser, if they're using some sort of other way to browse a web page, strong can also emphasize that in different ways. So it's not just bold. Depending on like how they have their settings, it would change. Span, source, small, select, section, script, samp. Samp, define sample output from a computer program. What's that? Oh, thank you. That's how we add a heart. Let's go. We love front end. Okay, save that. Nice. There we go. Okay, what does samp do? Define some text as sample output from a computer program. I'm just going to copy this directly. Save that. Refresh. Nice. Cool. That's very nice. I've never seen that before. So that's great to know. Defines text that is no longer correct with an S tag. I've also never seen this before. What does this do? I assume it's like a strikeout. Let's try it. Here. Yeah, so it just like it's a strike through style for the text. That's pretty nice. What else is there? Defines a short quotation. This is a quotation. Ooh. Okay. Now, I guess that automatically added in the quotes for us. That's pretty nice. And I guess if you do want like consistent styling for your quotes, then this is a nice way to do that. You don't have to like have a bunch of P tags and then just give it like a class. What else is there? I think that's pretty much it. Like everything else is pretty straightforward. You can sort of look at it yourself later. But yeah, that was like a really basic HTML, CSS intro, mostly CSS.